My name is Michelle Lee, and I'm a senior here at Fairmont Prep. When I finished junior high, I knew picking a high school would be very difficult because it's where you want to spend the next 4 years with new friends, new teachers, and obviously build your way up to college. So there are many options, great options in the area, but I knew Fairmont Prep was the one because of its strong athletic program and its supportive counseling system. Fairmont means a lot to me, and I can prove it. I'm not too sure if anyone's familiar with where Hacienda Heights is. That's where I live. It's between Whittier and Roland Heights, and it's about a 40-minute drive. So that's a pretty long commute for a high school. Most people usually go in the area. But I really wanted to make that commute to Fairmont Prep because I really believe that Fairmont Prep is a really good school where I can really better educate myself and get to college on the right path. So, like I said, I'm a competitive springboard and platform diver, not a scuba diver. You don't understand how many people get confused. I've been doing it since I was 10 years old, so that's about 7 years. I practice 6 days a week at USC, so that's a very long commute too, but yeah, I managed to push through it. In addition, I compete nationally, but I also want to try something new, high school diving. So diving is not too much of a popular sport, so when I looked on the Fairmont website, I wasn't surprised to see that they didn't offer diving, but I really wanted to go to Fairmont, so I reached out to the athletic director, Coach Esparza, and he let me compete diving, which is one of the best things that's ever happened. And Coach Esparza is so dedicated to each and every sport. He didn't even know anything about diving, but he was willing to stay in those 3 to 5 hour dive meets in the rain or sunshine just to watch me compete. And without him, I would never have gotten my CIF champion and All-American titles. Being an athlete is also very worrisome because many people don't know how to balance their practice schedules and homework time. But I knew prep would help me in those ways. So since freshman year, prep has offered me a free period where I can have at the end of the day where I can just get to the library, do my homework, study for tests, study for upcoming quizzes, and even reach out to teachers who had other free periods. So since freshman year, I've been able to do that, and even then, I come home, I go to practice, and I go to USC, and I get there around 6, I get there around 4, and I finish around 6, but with LA traffic, I get home at 8. So since coming home so late, I knew that the homework pile would be so big, but then since I got that free period, I was able to manage everything. Last year, I even took 4 AP classes and managed to get good grades. Lastly, Fairmont Prep isn't a big school where we can get very lost. Each student has a very good counselor, or a very supportive counselor that'll help them get to the classes that they need to get through classes that you even want to get through, and pick out the college that's perfect for you. So my college counselor, Miss Jackson, made it very easy for me to get through to pick which college I want. Last year, I went on 4 recruiting trips: Columbia University, obviously, University of Pennsylvania Wharton School, Northwestern University, and Cornell. So with those 4 colleges, they are obviously fantastic schools, but Ms. Jackson let me narrow it down to my perfect college, which is Columbia University. So overall, if I had a chance to go back to 8th grade and repick a high school, I would still choose Fairmont Prep. Prep has given me an unforgettable high school experience, and I will always cherish that. Go Huskies!